Hi everyone, what's up? Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're diving into something that may just become your new kitchen staple. That is the Varia Aura Kettles. Now, I know what you're thinking. Actually, there are a few things you could be thinking, and I'm thinking that you're thinking at least one of those. It is just a kettle, and it does look very familiar, and you would be right on all of these accounts. Yet, is this the epitome of a reliable, effortless heating of water for tea or coffee? Well, Varia would believe so, and I have to agree. They haven't gone out and reinvented the wheel here. They have given us options though, and welcomed affordable ones at that. So stick around as we unpack the Varia Aura Kettles. Let's do this. Let's begin by looking at the 0.8 litre capacity Gooseneck Aura. This is perfect for those precise pour-over coffee moments. The gooseneck design, this ensures a smooth, controlled pour, and the tip allows for an unbroken, steady pour at a very slow rate, making it ideal for coffee enthusiasts who want to perfect their brewing technique. Whereas the 1.5 litre capacity Open Spouted Aura, and this version just isn't about coffee. It's versatile enough for tea lovers too, and anyone who needs a generous capacity and fast pouring action. I found this most useful recently on a cupping I'd set up, and also perfect for everyday kitchen needs. Then of course is the ergonomic shaped handle on both of these kettles, which works really well to grip onto and balance any amount of water that's in the kettle whilst pouring. So let's talk features. These kettles are fast, quiet, and incredibly reliable. And both versions come with easy to use controls that allow you to set any temperature between 40 degrees Celsius and boiling, thanks to their temperature controlled PID functions. And whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, getting that perfect temperature is a breeze. And there are two ways to approach this. If you need to just boil your water, there is a switch at the back of the kettle's base, and you switch this to off or H for heating mode. Then with a press of the circular button at the front, the Aura will jump straight into boiling the water. And then you can tap that button at any time again to stop the heating. In the LCD screen, it will display H for heating. And that red line, this is the progress indication bar, and this gets longer as you get closer to your desired temperature. And the Aura will also display the current temperature in the kettle. Once you reach boiling, the Aura will beep once and then switch off automatically. Now to set a specific temperature in the Aura, you switch over from heating to on or memory mode. And with M now displayed in the screen, use the toggle button to cycle through to any temperature between 40 degrees Celsius and boiling. Or alternatively, using that opposite switch at the back of the base for Fahrenheit, so that would be 104 to 212. Once set, the kettle beeps once and begins heating to the set temperature. Now, you can change the temperature at any time or tap that button to turn the kettle off. And once the Aura reaches its target temperature, it will beep once and then hold that set temperature for upwards of 90 minutes. Additionally, the kettle will begin heating again automatically once you place it back on the base, back to your set temperature. And this is perfect for maintaining a consistent brewing temperature. And the final feature built into the base of this kettle is the auto on feature. So by setting the clock to the current time and then setting in minutes and hours when you want the kettle to turn on in the future, you can have the kettle boiled or heated to the right temperature, ready and waiting. Not that it really cuts out all that much time, as these kettles are very fast, but it could come in handy. One more thing to note here is that while the Varia Aura Kettle might look familiar, and yes, it is similar to some other reputable brands, it holds its own by delivering on that consistent performance and style at an affordable price. So if you are in the market for a dependable kettle that doesn't overcomplicate things but gets the job done right, the Varia Aura Kettle is worth considering. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this review, and I hope you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more coffee gear reviews. Also check out the links in the description to learn more about the Varia Kettle and where you can pick one up yourself. Until next time, happy brewing.